Here's how to make your name gold in Clash Royale. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is when you open up the app, you'll be brought to the screen like so. Now, once you're on the screen, you basically, to make it gold, you actually have to get past Royale. Now, what this is it's a thing that can actually allow you to get a bunch of rewards depending on how much you play. You'll get more crowns, and you can access it by clicking on Pass Royale right here in the top right. When you click on this, you can actually see all of these rewards on the right side are the ones you can get if you have the pass, and you'll also get a gold name if you click on it. Now, it does cost $12 currently, but you do get a lot of emotes, rewards, chests, and you'll level up a lot faster. But that's the only way to make your name gold in Clash Royale, just by getting this gold pass like so. If you don't have it, there's no way to make your name gold, but you can see if we go to the clan right here or just friends, you can actually see people's names that are not gold, mean they don't have the pass. But if their name is gold, like this person is right here, that means they do have the pass and are paying per month, and it expires every month, so you do have to renew it if you do want a gold name permanently. You just have to get it every